Hello, good evening everyone. I'm making this video to share my Nifty analysis for tomorrow and for the upcoming week. So let's see what's happening with Nifty. Right. So as we can see, Nifty has been dropping down for the last week as well. And it's overall still bearish. The market structure is still bearish. No highs have been taken yet. Still continuing to make lower lows and lower lows. But yeah, let's see how can we trade this on Monday. All right, Nifty, although my opinion for tomorrow is still downside, and I'll share later in the video why I think so. But for now, what we can see Nifty might do. So let's see. Nifty currently is taking support from a major support zone. Let me share with you what is that. So as you can see, if we take the volume profile from the low that we made on 4th of June 2024 and take it up to the high, the very high of Nifty, and in this entire price action, the value area low falls at 23,614. That is where Nifty currently stopped. Alright, and we also had some naked point of controls and daily levels there, which I have removed because they've been hit. And yeah, so that is where Nifty currently stopped. Now what can we expect from here? Is it going to reverse? Well, I don't think so. Because why I do not think so is, see, most of the people who trade based on simple price action trading, for them this region was a resistance previously. Now Nifty has reached this level again, so they might be taking a lot of longs, thinking that this will act as support now. Resistance flipped into support. But I don't think that Nifty can do that as of now, because this in my opinion is not a very major support zone. All right, because I trade based on liquidity, and also any stock or index that you trade, it draws itself towards liquidity. So what I mean by liquidity is stop losses and major levels of where people might be looking to buy again, or where they may have stopped, they may have put their stop losses. Now for that reason, for me, is below this 24th of June, below this and below these. There must be a lot of stops below these levels, below these lows. So Nifty reversing from here, I don't think so that will happen, but let's see. That's just my analysis, and I'm sharing my analysis with you. I cannot predict the market, but yeah, this is my guess for now. Now Nifty is also about to reach a very major support level, because this is a channel that I've been tracking for the last couple of months. This came to my attention a few months ago, but this channel can be seen. See, it started from 2020, March of 2020. So it's a pretty big support zone as of now for me. Alright, so this support is exactly at this level where the liquidity grab might happen. So for me, something like this I'm expecting Nifty to do. I'm expecting something like this. Move down, up, slightly down, taking all the liquidity, and then reclaiming this, and then moving up from there. That is my long-term plan for the next month or a couple of weeks. This is what I can see happening. Let's see if this happens. But as of now, this is my plan. All right. What's next? So for tomorrow, what I think can happen is something like this. Okay. So if you know the concept of volume profiles, you probably know about value areas, right? So I'm going to share previous week's value areas and previous day. That means Friday's value area. Currently, this Nifty is taking rejection from previous week's point of control, which is a major rejection, but still there is more liquidity. Liquidity comes above everything else. Remember that. There is more liquidity up there. People who may have shorted this, they might have their stop losses somewhere in this region. So Nifty might move up from here. It may take rejection from this previous day's value area high, which most certainly gives a good reaction. In my observation, it gives a reaction. And we can also see that if we take Fibonacci from here till down this level, we also have 0.5 right up at the high, and we also have some naked point of control. See, we have a weekly naked point of control. Now all of these concepts might be foreign to you if you don't know about market profile and order flow and volume profiles. So just bear with me. In the next coming videos, if you keep on following me, you might be able to understand what I'm talking about. But for now, this is a major resistance for me for intraday trading, and Nifty might come up there. And if it comes up to this level, like 23,650, 23,600, and if it goes up, comes down and closes below this high, then that can be a swing failure. The liquidity grab is done at that point, and then I will take a short from there, and I will see where the price goes down. And according to my analysis, it will break this low, but before it breaks this low, it should take the liquidity from up there and then continue the move down, like the overall trend, which is downtrend. Okay, that is my analysis for Monday. Now, why I'm gonna share with you why I think it will break this low. So there is a concept of poor lows and poor highs. Okay, let me explain it briefly. When the price comes down to a level, and a lot of buyers step up, it goes up, and then it chops around, and then in the same day or the next day, most probably same day, because this concept is based on intraday trading, it comes down again to that same level, then goes up. The reason why this happens is because the auction has not been completed yet, and it is called a failed auction. Because why is the price coming down again and again? Because there are more buyers, and the market makers want to exhaust all the buyers that are sitting there, or the stop losses that are there. They want to get all the liquidity that they can find from below. And if the price has reacted twice, then it means that there is more liquidity to be taken down there. So they will keep on pushing the price down until all the liquidity is grabbed, and then they will give the ultimate move, which coincides with my original plan of breaking the low of that long-term channel and then moving up again. All right, so that's it from my end. Thank you, and I will share the next plan based on tomorrow's trading. Okay, thank you. Bye.